a ticket for a midnight train. The first train leaving Toledo, I had to ease my troubled brain. I had to get out of Ohio, 'cause she wanted to marry me. Like a child I ran away, and the secret she's carrying will soon be on the way. And that's why I'm on the first train leaving Toledo. Yeah, now I'm sitting here on this train, just watching the lights move past my window, and I'm wondering why I'm running away, when I know down deep I could love them both. Knowing somewhere back in the city there is a pretty girl who needs me so. Hey, now porter, what time's that next train back to Toledo? I'll find a job and I'll work real hard. I'll try my best to make ends meet, 'cause it was that girl's loving arms where my heart first learned how to beat. When this train pulls in the next station, I'm gonna buy a ticket right back where I came. Happiness is gonna be my destination, 'cause I decided to give that girl my name. But when I saw the crowd standing around her door, I knew I was much too late. When I was on that next train back to Toledo, when I was on that next train back to Toledo.